Welcome to this UK drug testing and drug testing kit combined presentation video on this new Tianeptine rapid test strip for urine with a cutoff of 500 nanograms. Now, Tianeptine is one of the new drugs of abuse that's developing currently in 2024, often referred to as gas station heroin. Tianeptine is an atypical tricyclic antidepressant sold as Stablon, Tatinol and Coaxil. This is what you get in the test strip pack. The foil, as you can see here, with the Tianeptine coding on it, 500 nanograms cutoff is the sensitivity, and inside the pack you will get one of these test strips and a small bag of desiccant, which keeps the test strip dry. Remove the test strip from the foil pouch when you're ready to commence the test, and then you dip it into a sample of fresh urine. Now, this is a synthetic liquid we're using to demonstrate the test strip. The dip end is the end with the wavy lines. The maximum dip level should be the top of the wavy lines, and the handle end has the TIA, Tianeptine, coding on it. So when you're ready to perform the test, simply dip the test strip to the top of those wavy lines and hold it in the sample for approximately 5 to 10 seconds, and you should start to see some wicking in that central flat section of the test strip after a few seconds. Just leave it there till you're confident that enough liquid has been absorbed. Remove it from the liquid, tap any excess off, and then you should lay the test strip onto a flat non-observant surface. Best thing to use is the reverse of the foil you've just removed it from. Correct read time for these tests is between 5, 8 or maximum of 10 minutes. For negative results, they can be read pretty quickly, as you can see what's developing there, but we will come and refilm this at 8 minutes. Now we're resuming filming at 8 minutes from dipping this test strip, and you can clearly see that we've got a lovely control line, which is the line formed nearest the handle end with the TIA coding on it, and a clear test line that's also showing, indicating a clear negative result. You must have a control line to interpret the results. If you have not got a control line, then inadequate liquid has been absorbed onto the test strip, and you would re-dip it and see if you can get a result showing from doing so. If you have got a control line, then you can interpret the results, and you need to allow a full 10 minutes development time to interpret a positive result, which would be indicated by a single control line and the absence of any discernible test line at the 10-minute maximum read time. But as we mentioned earlier, negative tests tend to develop much quicker than that, and as long as you've got a clear control and test line showing at 2, 3, 4 or 5 minutes, you can interpret that as a clear negative result and move on to a following test. The test line will not disappear later if it's left for a long period of time. Do not interpret any lines forming beyond 10 minutes. That is the correct and absolute read time for a positive test result. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. These test strips are available from UK drug testing and drug testing kit websites. We'll put a link in the description below so you can follow that through, and further details, pricing and information on sensitivity, selectivity and accuracy will all be on the website listings for these tests. Thanks for watching.